Okay, today we are going to talk about what you like and what you dislike. Okay, so brother Aslam, would you mind telling me about do you like apps? For example, different applications such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. So, what do you think?
As for me, application is a daily use for everyone, especially
Applications are,
yes,
yes.
daily uses for everyone, especially some job people who use their for money purpose and especially Google apps, which is very useful in our day-to-day
Well said.
daily life.
Yes.
For my app, especially I read some Quranic apps and some book apps which is beneficial for me, and WhatsApp is very useful for me because of there are so many family members in my groups to talk with someone which I need for some work, so I can talk easily anywhere and everywhere.
Right. What do you think about YouTube? Do you like using YouTube?
Yes, yes, YouTube is very beneficial for me. I have learned so many things and so many regarding astronomy and some money purpose and some about study purpose is very beneficial for me. YouTube is the most popular app in the whole worldwide, so I think YouTube is very crucial for me.
Brother, remember when you use the word regarding YouTube, when you talk about YouTube, use some signpost language. Well, you can say, well, sir, in all seriousness, I love to use YouTube application. First of all, secondly, finally, okay? Try to use this language. Otherwise, you are doing great, inshallah. Okay? Should I ask more question? One more question, right? Uh, what about riding? Do you like riding?
Hmm, I think I don't know about any basic knowledge of riding, but when I will start the riding, I think riding is very good for me because when I saw the one video, I am addicted to that. So I am need to ride some bike, so I will ride definitely.
Okay, fine. Okay, brother, take care, inshallah. Thank you.